Hi guys, it's Michaela Kern today, and me and Lily are going to be showing you 6 different slimes.
If you add them together.
Yeah. So yeah, I'm going to start out with my Satisfying Princess Pink slime. I'm going to use a butter knife and pretend like I'm spreading whipped cream on it, but it's actually shaving cream. Look at it. You learn.
Sorry.
Oh, no, you have to turn the camera off. Sorry guys, that was nonsense. Lily flipped over the camera. So this is, what is this one called? Blue Ocean. No, Ocean. No, it was Sky Blue. No, the Sky Blue was the light one. Was it? Yeah. That one's Ocean and that one's Sky Blue. No, this one was Blueberry. Oh yeah, that one was Blueberry. Okay, so this is Blueberry. It's blue. This one is Pretty Princess Pink. Have you ever gotten... See, you can see the glitter in it barely. Oh, it just sticked on me. Just kidding. Have you ever got hair in Michaela, show the camera to this. This is too satisfying. They have to see it. What, make a bubble? No, this. Don't add too much. Just show them. Hey, look. Here, turn the camera around so you can just... Are you going to add too much sugar? Add some wine. Stop. Shave it. Put in some whipped cream. This can't be a long video, Michaela. Then... Okay. Flip you guys over. Now I'm mixing it in. Probably added too much shaving cream, but it was just perfect. So, eventually... Oh, dang it. I didn't want to get shaving cream on my hands. That's sort of the whole point of making it. Oh, now it's too fluffy. Have you ever had the feeling? It was just perfect until they added that. Well, you chose to. Can't you add too much shaving cream? Nope. No such thing. Really? Yeah, literally. Oh, wow. Well, there actually is such thing. We'll just turn into shaving cream and glue, basically. We'll just turn the slime into shaving cream. It's not glue in here. It's stretchy. I know, but that's not too much. Okay. Too much? If it's too much, your slime would be about this big until it was too much. I'm still adding, guys. I'm gonna try to make a bubble. That didn't work. Yeah. I did it wrong. I've been giving her lessons on how to make bubbles. And she still hasn't mastered it. I'm going to master it. Dang it! I don't know how to make a bubble. How do you make bubbles? I have to mix this in first. I have to mix my butter in. It has to become see-through. Oh, dang it! I would have had it. And our next video is going to be black, just so you guys know. What's that? Oh, it's a leaf. More shaving cream on me. Shaving cream. Come on, Lily. Are you making a video with me or not? Give me more lessons how to make bubbles.
Okay. So mine's really sticky. First, roll up your sleeves just in case. Roll up your sleeves just in case.
Oh, I made 2 bubbles.
Tiny ones.
3 bubbles.
Okay, like this. Let me add some activator first.
Why did you need to activate?
Because it's sticky. Okay, I'm gonna make it less sticky first. Okay, so first thing, flatten it out really big. Now take your thumbs like this and pick it up and spread it out and let it drip down at the same time. Uh-oh, it might break though.
Oh, it's sticking in my hands.
Then you gotta add some of that just on your hands.
Okay, ready? More lessons?
Okay, so spread it out again. Do the same thing. There's different ways. Here, let me show you the first way. So do the same thing. Make sure your thumbs are up, like you're giving somebody a thumbs up. And then you go like this, and then it's really crunchy.
Dang it, I'm messing it up. Oh, I would have made one. I made a really tiny one.
Go and grab the other shaving cream. This one's almost out.
We don't need more shaving cream. We're good. Use your shaving cream. Lily, what's that?
Just putting my normal shoes on.
No, you're not. Lily is wearing Ziploc bags on her feet.
No, literally. You guys keep me from stepping in slime.
Yeah, for some reason she stepped in slime like 5 times. It's got in my pants like
4 or 5 times.
no, actually now it's been 6. Yesterday I got in my pants 4 times. Because we were doing
Tyson got stuff on his pants 3 or 4 times.
oh, it almost hit the camera. Shout out to Lily Mehrhofer and Lindsay.
Lindsay.
Shout out to Lily Mehrhofer and Lindsay Lever
Who's Lindsay?
and Cody T.
Who's a Lindsay lover?
My aunt.
But is she a YouTuber?
Mhm.
Really? Look, Michaela.
You could have made a bubble. Dang it, I popped it.
Why does your mom have plastic plates?
Put this one in the bag.
How about this? Instead of getting everything on the table, then just use a plastic plate.
Sorry. Oh, this one's...
Gross and broken.
Yeah. Now what do I do with this one?
Throw it away if you don't want it.
No, can I fix it?
No. Well, yeah, just keep mixing water into it. Water.
Can I get a couple of lemons? Let's see how this one comes out.
Here you go. Here's some on top of that.
Okay, this one's good. Okay, 2 of my slimes are good, but this one is not. This one's okay. I'm gonna add some more shaving cream. I'm gonna mix it. Mix that boy. Mix it.
We have them on plastic plates so they don't get stuck to the table or you don't get the table messy.
Mixy. I'm trying not to get it on my hands. Stop. I just said I'm not trying to. But if I do, it's okay.
I'm gonna squeeze a pimple, ready? Oh, that's a big one.
Did you put that? Ew, why
There's
did
a pimple blob.
Lily? She likes to watch people
Popping pimples.
popping pimples.
It's satisfying, I swear.
No,
Some
it is not.
people love, well, not popping pimples. People with calluses. It's satisfying watching them peel them off.
Ew. Face masks is satisfying.
Yeah.
We actually just did one today on video.
But
We didn't upload it. That's my brother.